Have you ever dreamed of capturing every thrilling moment of your outdoor adventures from the sky? Imagine exploring the wild from a bird's eye view, tracking your every step, or even flying your drone through the rain without a worry. In today's video, we're diving into the most innovative drone gadgets that are redefining outdoor adventures. From groundbreaking features to game-changing designs, these gadgets will take your explorations to new heights. Stick around, because you won't want to miss the last one. It's a true game changer. Number 1. Foldable drones. Foldable drone like the DJI Mavic 3. These compact portable drones are designed for adventurers who are always on the go. Their foldable design makes them easy to pack without sacrificing powerful features like 4K video, obstacle avoidance, and long flight times. The portability of foldable drones means you can easily carry them on hikes, camping trips, or any outdoor excursion. And when you're ready to fly, these drones unfold into powerful aerial tools capable of capturing your most epic adventures in stunning detail. Imagine you're hiking up a steep trail and you suddenly spot a breathtaking view. Unfold your drone in seconds and capture that moment from a unique aerial perspective. A group of adventurers recently trekked through the Rocky Mountains with the DJI Mavic 3, documenting their journey with stunning 360-degree panoramic shots at the summit. The foldable design meant they could easily carry the drone without adding extra bulk to their gear. Next up is the revolutionary Follow Me mode, featured in drones like the Skydio 2 Plus. This technology allows your drone to follow you automatically, capturing every twist and turn of your journey. Whether you're mountain biking, running, or hiking, this feature ensures you're always in the frame. Follow Me mode uses advanced AI algorithms and GPS technology to track your movements. It's like having your own personal cameraman, but without the need for anyone to operate the drone. The Skydio 2 Plus is equipped with 360-degree obstacle avoidance, meaning it can follow you through even the most challenging terrains, dodging trees, rocks, and other obstacles. Number 3. Waterproof drones. For those who love water-based adventures, waterproof drones like the Swell Pro Splash Drone 4 are a game changer. This drone can fly in the rain, land on water, and even capture underwater footage with specialized attachments. The Swell Pro Splash Drone 4 is fully waterproof, with a robust design that can withstand harsh weather conditions. Its waterproof gimbal ensures that your camera remains steady, even in rough waters. Plus, with its floatable design, the drone can safely land and take off from water surfaces, making it ideal for aquatic environments. Whether you're kayaking, fishing, or exploring coastal areas, a waterproof drone opens up a world of possibilities. You can capture unique perspectives both above and below the waterline without worrying about damaging your equipment. Number 4. Obstacle avoidance systems. When you're exploring the great outdoors, navigating tight spaces can be challenging. That's where advanced obstacle avoidance systems come into play. The DJI Air 3, for example, features multi-directional sensors that help the drone dodge obstacles in real time. These sensors use a combination of cameras and infrared technology to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. Whether you're flying through a dense forest, weaving between rock formations, or navigating urban landscapes, these systems ensure your drone stays safe and on course. A travel vlogger exploring the narrow canyons of Arizona used the DJI Air 3 to capture stunning aerial footage. Thanks to the drone's obstacle avoidance system, it navigated through tight spaces, avoiding the canyon walls with precision, while the vlogger focused on capturing breathtaking shots. Number 5. Modular drone designs. For those who want versatility, modular drone designs like the PowerVision PowerEgg X offer a unique solution. This drone can transform from an aerial camera to a handheld device or even a stationary AI-powered camera, depending on your needs. The PowerEgg X's modular design allows you to swap out components depending on your shooting needs, whether you need an all-weather drone, a handheld gimbal camera, or a stationary security camera. The PowerEgg X has you covered. Imagine you're on a multi-day camping trip. During the day, you fly the PowerEgg X to capture aerial views of the surrounding landscape. In the evening, you detach the camera module to use as a handheld gimbal for stable video as you explore the campsite. At night, you set it up as a stationary camera to monitor wildlife activity. The modular design truly maximizes your gear's potential. Number 6, long-range transmission. When you're venturing into remote areas, having a long-range transmission system is crucial. Drones like the Autel Evo Lite Plus boast an impressive range of up to 12 kilometers, allowing you to explore and capture footage from places far off the beaten path. The Autel Evo Lite Plus uses advanced transmission technology to maintain a strong connection with your controller, even at great distances. This ensures that you can explore vast landscapes without losing control of your drone or compromising on video quality. In one expedition, a team of wildlife researchers used the Autel Evo Lite Plus to monitor animal migrations across the African savanna. The drone's long-range capability allowed them to cover large distances without disturbing the wildlife, capturing high-quality footage from a safe distance. Number 7, thermal imaging drones. For nighttime adventures or wildlife tracking, thermal imaging drones like the Parrot Anafi USA are incredibly useful. These drones can detect heat signatures, making them ideal for spotting animals, conducting search and rescue missions, or exploring at night. Thermal imaging adds a whole new layer to your outdoor adventures. You can see in the dark, track hidden wildlife, and even navigate through dense vegetation where visibility is low. It's like having a sixth sense in the wild. A team of conservationists used the Parrot Anafi USA to track nocturnal animals in the Amazon rainforest. The drone's thermal camera allowed them to observe and record the movements of elusive species without disturbing their natural habitat. This groundbreaking approach provided valuable data for their research. Number 8, high-capacity batteries. No adventure should be cut short by a dead battery. That's why drones like the DJI Mini 3 Pro come equipped with high-capacity batteries that offer up to 47 minutes of flight time. More time in the air means more opportunities to capture your journey. These intelligent batteries not only last longer, but also monitor their own health and status, giving you real-time updates through your app. This ensures you maximize every moment without the worry of running out of power mid-flight. Imagine being deep in the wilderness, capturing footage of a stunning sunset, and knowing you have the battery life to keep shooting until the perfect moment. The DJI Mini 3 Pro's high-capacity battery allows you to stay in the air longer, ensuring you never miss a shot. And there you have it, some of the most innovative drone gadgets for outdoor adventures. These tools are designed to enhance your experience, capturing your journey in ways that were once impossible. Which of these gadgets will you take on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, keep exploring and keep flying.